Hi, this is Christina Hills from the Website Creation Workshop, and in this video I want to talk about one of my favorite free themes and pro themes called the Hestia theme. Well, if you've gone to update your site and all of a sudden you see this Statue of Liberty on your site, just know that you have not been hacked. There was an update from the Hestia company that when you do the update, it puts the Statue of Liberty on your site. So when I first saw this, I was like a little freaked. What happened? Did somebody get into my site? And then I realized it just was an update from the Hestia company. I'm sure they'll fix it on a future update, but I want to show you what to do. So here is one of my students, and she's using the Hestia theme, and we can see that there's an update. So I'm going to come in here. And before I do the update, I'm going to go to Appearance Customize, and I'm going to go to Front Page Settings, and this big title section. That's where this happens. And so we can see that if I open this up, Y Thermography, she's got an image in here. That's this image. I'll copy this just so I have it in another browser. You don't necessarily need to do this, but I just want to take a look at this before I go ahead and do the update. And you should always update your WordPress sites. So clicking on the updates, I'm going to go ahead and update the theme. All right, so now I'm going to look at the site, and lo and behold, there is this Statue of Liberty instead of having this image on the home page. So very easy to fix. Just come into Customize, Front Page Settings, Big Title section, and I am going to change that to image, and then it puts it back to where it was. So it looks like they have, which I think is great, they've put in parallax to show you what a parallax image would look like, but they left that there in the update. So instead, just switch it to image and it'll come back, and click Publish. So I click Publish. Now I can X out, and now my site is back to normal. So when you see an update, you always want to do the update, but sometimes sometimes the theme company might have something left over. Probably by the time you watch this video, it will have been fixed. But I just wanted to show you what to do if you find this, and I left it on this test site just so I could demo this. If you find this on your site, what to do. This is Christina Hills from the Website Creation Workshop.